Thank you, Ellie. Now, it is time for us to start the conference now. And we are going to hear some words from the Assistant General Secretary of the Public Service Association of New South Wales, Troy Wright. And having an organisation like the PSA, which looks out for your needs and gives you a voice when there is a dispute, is very important. It's actually something that I wish I had in my everyday life at home. I would definitely sign up to the PSA if it stood for Partners and Spouses Association, as I think I need better representation in disputes with my wife. For example, we're currently having a bit of a disagreement about whether it's okay to spend one night a week out with the boys. Now, I don't think she should, but I just don't know how to get my point across. Now, Troy is so loyal to the union movement that when he was younger, he would require his girlfriend to give 4 weeks' notice if she wanted to break up with him. And even then, she had to find him a temp to fill in. So, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage the white knight with the right foresight, the upright, erudite, and permanently quite polite, Troy Wright.
I've spoken at quite a few of these conferences in the last 12 months. I've never had an introduction like that or that, so thank you.